Here's Curtis Marshall from Hanford, California in his 1929 Ford Model A four-door sedan with a newly built Burtz Block engine. His block serial number is 111, which some of you may recognize as one of two block kits that were independently evaluated and publicized as unbuildable because of all kinds of issues which we won't go into. This block kit was later evaluated and spec'd out and deemed good to build as is by Tim McMaster here in Hanford. Tim is a well-known builder commonly referred to as the Y Block guy. At the time of this video, Curtis had about 1,800 miles on the Burtz Block engine and has been running smooth from the moment he started it. That's it. Happy motoring and enjoy his story.
Hello everybody, my name's Curtis Marshall. I live in Hanford, California, and today we'll be driving my 1929 Ford Model A four-door sedan. It's powered by Burtz Block number 111. After deburring and cleaning the engine, I assembled it using a Burtz head, camshaft, and flywheel. I currently have 1,800 miles on this engine. Compared to a Ford Model A engine, this engine is very smooth, vibration-free, and has lots of torque. This is a very good running engine. Let's go for a ride.